we have a 2-pack coming in as well. Let this one land. Yeah, 2-pack. One on the right. Right 3. Kill him, boys. First 2 of the morning. With no wind, those decoyed pretty nice, I'd say. Welcome back to another video, guys. Doing the intro once it's light out here. We just shot our first 2 geese. Today we are sitting in an A-frame, or 2 actually. There's 4 of us. We're sitting in 2 A-frames, and then we got decoys out here. Running 15 dozen dive bombs, 10 dozen V2Fs, and 5 dozen V2AFs. But that first group did it nice. We had a single come in and land, and he put down out on the end kind of far. We didn't get that one, but we had 2 that swung. And when we shot, they were about 10 yards away. So that was nice. Hopefully the rest do it like that. There's only about 150 in here last night, but hopefully they all show up and we can make a decent little pile. You getting a video of all the feathers? Yeah. Well, we just had 2 more come in, and I'm an idiot and didn't press the record button. That was just the feathers falling out of the sky. The one got dusted. Yeah, we got a big line coming, but the birds that have came in so far have decoyed pretty nice, so. Oh gosh, that line's lining up. Oh yeah. This block's coming right back behind us. There's a bigger line behind it. Should we wait for this back one or take these? Hold this one.
Watch the flock on the left.
Left. Right, yes. Cool. Yeah, right out front, left. Right here, ready? Come in. Okay, if they swing over the tops of us. Okay, get ready. Got him, boys. Kill him, boys! It's right there. Everything starts swinging and we can land.
Just do like nice clucks to them.
Yeah. Take him. Got him.
He's coming.
Whatever you want, Spirit. Alright, someone shoot it. Good shot. GoPro going. Nice shooting. First one of the day. You guys want to take them over top?
Yeah. Right now?
Yep.
He ain't feeling too good.
Show me this way.
Yeah. What's going on, buddy?
That one took a dirt nap. We got more coming.
Kill him, boys. That's 20. Nice shooting, boys. It's good shooting. Kill him! No way. We went from 21 to 24 now. Dustin and I were talking about the spread and whatnot and all that fun stuff, and then Sweary just told us to get down, and Dustin and I were like, what? And we look over to the left and that 4-pack is just eaten.
It was 5.
It was a 5-pack. I can't count.
We were just laying back on the hill, like right there. Sweary's like, get down. I'm like, what? Because they were dead silent. They came in nice.
That was probably the best decoying flock of the day, and we were sitting just open on the hill, like, oh. Kill him, boys! Yeah! Got that one on the end.
Nice shooting, guys.
Here we go!
3 more.
3 more!
What do we got here?
So right here, this is the dive bomb blind bag. I've ran it since the beginning of the early season so far and absolutely love it. The back has a nice zipper where you can put fruit snacks, in this case. And then it has 2 clips in the front. And my favorite part about this dry line bag is the waterproofing. Can't get any water. It probably would float on top of the water if you just threw it in. So basically you just clip the sides and then it unrolls. And on the inside, what I got in there, I got a water bottle, got some gloves, got my calls, and then boxes of shells. And you can fit a good amount of stuff. And then, like I was saying earlier, the biggest thing I like about this bag is the fold down. Fold it down to however much stuff you put in your bag, and then it's just 2 clamps on each side, and you are fully waterproofed, and none of your gear or ammunition will get wet. You can get these off a dive bomb. We'll leave the link in the description in the video, so go and get you one.
Not bad, eh, fellas?
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Got the farmers out in full force, the John Deeres. Got the tiller down there.
That is a combine, Carter.
Combine, the tiller, no, wait. There.
That's another
2
combine.
combines and a grain car. Big farmer guy.
That right there, well, for one, that's our goose meat. Just got done cleaning all the birds. But that is the dry line dive bomb cooler. We'll cover that on a different video. But yeah, wanna give us a little recap here?
Wrapping up the hunt. We got birds still wanting to get in here.
Hey guys.
But anyways, we ended with 28 today. Really good day. Really happy with how it went. I'm trying to talk here. Oh! Oh!
He did not. I take that back. We have 29 now.
Oh my God.
What is going on?
Sniper Squeary is back.
I don't even know how to end it on that.
Did not just happen. That was like a 70-yard shot.
But anyways, ended with 29. 3 shooters, dust behind the camera, all around good day. Thank you guys for watching the video, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe.